everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to uncomplete any level. So this feature is a game changer for players who want to re-earn mana orbs or simply clear their profile's completed list for a fresh start. So let's start with the first step, which is access the level pause menu. So to begin the process, enter the level that you wish to reset. So you can do this from the main levels, which is the Gauntless or the online search. So once the level starts, just hit on the pause button in the top right corner. So just a pro tip, you must be inside the level itself. You cannot reset progress directly from the search result screens. So step number 2 is open the level info window. So click on the small I information icon located in the upper right of the pause menu. So this opens a pop-up window that displays your stats for that specific level. Step number 3 is locate the reset button. So in the level info window, you will see a new red button with a trash can or X icon next to your progress percentage. So this is the button that you need to click. So just a tip, this feature is exclusive to Geometry Dash 2.2 and the later versions. Next step is confirm progress deletion. So a confirmation window will pop up asking delete local level progress, and you just have to click on the green yes button to confirm. So this action is irreversible for your local save files. So to be sure before you click yes, make sure that you are really sure with your decision. So lastly is verify the success. So exit to the level selection screen and you will see that your progress on the level has been reset to 0%. And the completed icon is gone, so you are now free to complete the level again. So just a tip, this is a great way to regrind for mana orbs on easier levels. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!